High-protein foods for muscle growth. In addition to resistance exercise, people need to think about their diet in order to gain muscle. Some foods can help prevent weariness, restore nutrition, and help you gain muscle. Although carbs are also necessary for replenishing glycogen and preventing fatigue, protein is still an important macronutrient because they decompose into amino acids, which aid in the growth and repair of the body. Proteins are referred to as the building blocks of life. The protein in our food forms the structure of our muscles, skin, and hair. Gaining muscle involves more than just working out with weights and perspiring. It also entails providing your body with the necessary nutrition, especially protein. Here is your comprehensive list of high-protein foods if you want to up your protein consumption and use the greatest sources of protein for muscle growth. 1. Chicken breast. With a staggering 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, chicken breast is a great protein option. You can be confident you're getting enough protein from chicken breasts without consuming a lot of fat, and the fat you do consume is balanced in terms of fatty acids. Additionally, chicken supplies vital B vitamins that are necessary for energy production and muscle function. B6 facilitates the body's use of the protein in food. You may saute, roast, bake, or grill them, opening up a range of meal options beyond the typical bodybuilder fare of chicken and rice. 2. Eggs. Perhaps the closest thing you can come to the ideal cuisine is whole eggs. Without a doubt, eggs should be included in any list of the top protein-rich foods for building muscle. Eggs are inexpensive, highly digestible, and offer the ideal ratio of nutrients. Except for vitamin C, they supply practically everything we require to be healthy. 6 grams of complete protein, or all the essential amino acids in precisely the right ratios for human needs, may be found in one big egg. 3. Greek yogurt. With almost twice the protein of regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is one of the best high-protein foods for your muscles. It's a dairy product that works well as a post-workout meal or a bedtime snack for sustained muscle protein synthesis, because it has a good balance of both fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. 4. Cottage cheese. A cup of cottage cheese, another dairy powerhouse, has an amazing 28 grams of protein in it. Dairy products aid in the development of lean muscle mass. They supply ample amounts of slow-digesting casein protein, which keeps your muscles building for hours on end, and are rich in vital amino acids. Because of its high content of slowly released casein protein, it's the perfect food to gradually provide your muscles the building blocks they need, such as right before bed. Cottage cheese not only meets your demands for protein, but also provides vital elements that are important for healthy muscular building and general well-being. 5. Salmon. One of the best marine animal proteins is salmon. It supplies an abundance of protein, ranging from 20 to 100 grams, as well as important fatty acids. Salmon's protein is easily digested and has all the essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, needed to develop and preserve muscle mass. For increasing muscle protein synthesis following exercise, salmon is a fantastic choice. 6. Soybeans. The majority of plant-based proteins are not regarded as full. They have too little of one or more key amino acids, but they still contain all the amino acids you need to create muscle. One exception is the soybean. Soybeans are among the best plant-based protein sources since they contain all the amino acids required in the proper proportions for the creation of muscle tissue. 7. Peanut butter. Protein, good fats, and deliciousness abound in peanut butter. Nut butters are a vital component in bodybuilding weight gain regimens. If you combine one peanut butter sandwich with 2 slices of whole wheat bread, you get 15 grams of protein in total. For the purpose of building muscle during exercise, people require a range of protein sources and amino acids. They have access to a wide variety of typical foods made from plants and animals, which they can pair with sufficient amounts of carbohydrates. Foods high in protein, such as salmon, may also be better for your health and fitness. Even so, any kind of protein will aid in muscle growth, so incorporate any of the aforementioned varieties to achieve well-defined muscles. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.